Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. This right here is a weed whipper, and it's an electric. It is a Black & Decker ST4500. And the problem is, this doesn't work. I think the motor's good. I think it's the switch, because the switch was acting up. Like I would hit it, and it wouldn't do anything, and then all of a sudden it would kick on, and then it would kind of intermittently kick out. So, and I tend to kind of feather mine. I don't like go wah, wah. I kind of woom, 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 woom. So I think I wore it out. So we're going to figure out how to fix this guy right here. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the switch on and off on a electric weed whipper.
Okay, so first thing I need to do is just take it apart. There's some of these screws. It wants one of these Torx bits, but it also has a slot there. You can sink a standard screwdriver in there as well. What's the worst thing you're gonna do? Like I say, you gotta break it more. It's already broken. You can put it in the landfill, or you can try to fix it. Oh, that's cute. So, instead of the switch being here, mounted here, where every time this goes, it hits a switch that's mounted inside like that, it actually hits the switch like this. Check that out. Look at that, isn't that cute? So every time this trigger is tripped, it moves this switch to the on position. Off, on. That's pretty cool. Neat. Now that we understand it, let's take a look at that switch. So my guess, when you take this off, okay, see this? So it hits this switch. And this guy's just done. I thought it was going to be a push button, not on off, but a push button on off without a click, so it doesn't stay. Because you can vroom, 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 vroom. You know, you don't click on, click off, click on, click off. So that's what I assumed I was going to be putting on there, but I'm not. So it looks to me like we got power. It's just going through, so boom, boom. I ought to be able, look at that, look at how nice that fits. That is wonderful. Wow, this is why you save stuff. This I pulled out of like a vacuum cleaner or something. And I just tend to save all this stuff. This I pulled out of something or other. These I pulled out of something or other. This, you can see, I actually didn't even clean it up. I just pulled that out, because if it works, save it. Throw it in a little jar. Besides, get yourself some pretty cool old switches. Put this in. Now put the switch back. Just careful, that's where your power goes. Goes to the motor that's at the end. But that cable's kind of in the way a little bit. I wonder if that might be part of the problem. I don't know. Test it. Make sure. Yeah. There we go.
All right, fixed. So, Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to fix an electric weed whipper. This one's a Black & Decker, but really anything that's got a switch that's electric, easy.